Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today, I want to talk about contracts. What does it take to have a valid contract? It really only requires three things. You need an offer, acceptance, and something called consideration. Now, offer and acceptance is pretty self-explanatory, but what's consideration? It's basically a fancy legal term for a bargained for exchange. So basically, your contract has to make sense in terms of what each side is giving and taking. So can you have a valid contract where someone's paying $1 million for a number 2 pencil? Probably not, unless there's something really amazing about that pencil to make it worth $1 million. So that's the basics of what you need to have a valid contract. Now, does a contract have to be in writing? No. Should it be in writing? Yes. It's very hard to fight over a verbal contract where basically you're getting down to he said versus she said. And you also want to check your state laws to see what contracts in your state or your industry have to be in writing. Now, does a contract have to be fancy? No, it can be written in English. I actually like writing contracts in English. I don't know what the word wheretofore actually means, so I never use it. And I tell all my clients, if there's any verbiage in a contract that you don't understand, don't sign it. Logic, people, it works. Now, can a contract be handwritten? Sure. Can it be on a cocktail napkin? Yes. That doesn't always work out. We saw with Steven Spielberg's first divorce, he tried to introduce a prenuptial agreement that was written on a napkin, and the judge ended up throwing it out, which is why his ex-wife got half of everything. So that's some basics about contracts. And one question I get a lot from clients is, can I download templates off the internet or use what somebody else has done? And I understand why they want to do that. They want to use templates from other people to save money. And that is a good place to start if you want to try to draft your own contracts. But I always encourage my clients to at least have an attorney review it to make sure that it's covering everything they need to cover and to make sure that the terms of the contract actually apply to them. I'm shocked sometimes when I see contracts that make no sense because people were either given or downloaded a template that just didn't work for their situation. And the real purpose of a contract is to outline how your relationship is going to work with another person. So that's why I always tell my clients, at least have a lawyer review it, if not draft it from scratch. So if you need help with your contracts, please consult a business attorney in your community. If you want to contact me with any questions, my contact information is in a link down below. I put out content every week, so please subscribe, and I will talk with you later. Take care.